All right, everybody, how we doing today? Today I'm gonna make my I call it buttered blackened shrimp. It's a real simple and easy recipe. Um, it's just like I said, just butter, some seasonings, and some shrimp. So I'm gonna get this stick of Vital Farms, okay? Sea salted butter. I'm gonna get a stick of that. Sometimes I use two. We'll need um, get this brown, then we'll put the seasoning in there. And I'm not going to show you the seasoning until the end, so you're going to have to watch, see what kind of seasoning I use. All right. Got this new wave burner, electric burner. We'll try it out. We're going to melt this old butter right here, and we're almost going to kind of brown the butter, okay? In a way, I guess, because when you put that seasoning in there, you can't tell if it's brown or black, you know. So we're gonna get this melted down right here. This ain't a hard recipe. It's something that you can cook when you get off from work. You ain't got a whole lot of time. It's take probably 30 minutes, to do or less. And if you hear the rain, I'm sorry. It's one of them weekends. Um, they Veterans Day weekend, so um, unfortunately it's raining. So I gotta do this video anyway, and I got some other videos. So if you see me in some other videos wearing this same shirt, because me and B Worm's gonna do some other videos. Try to if rain holds off, so be looking for that. Okay. All right. That butter's getting there. It's getting where I want it. May even turn it up on high a little bit. Let's see. I got it on medium high, so we'll turn it up there to high right quick. I'm trying to do this video quick for y'all. I forgot my hand. I digress. All right. So we're gonna use about a quarter of this. Okay. You can use as much as you want, depending on how much of the spice that you like. Start out with about a quarter of a quarter, I guess, because you're going to just need to get some here and put back in here in just a little bit, okay? So don't use it all up. Make sure it gets all down there. All right. Woo! Yes. There we go. Starting to smell good now. See that blackened right up? Why it's called butter blackened shrimp. All right. Make sure you stay on it because you don't really want to burn it up. Don't turn it back down to medium high. Okay. All right. Now then, make sure your shrimp is thawed out. You see? Make sure that there's no water on it. It's drained, good and thawed out. Because just the last thing you want to do is have a whole bunch of water in this. All right. See how it's kind of blackened up a little bit? And then look, you'll be wanting to lick the pan here. I promise you. Don't let that seasoning burn. Burn that seasoning up, and it's going to taste horrible. I promise you. Okay. So you see, we turn that down a little bit so it wouldn't burn up. I was just trying to get it going real fast. Probably shouldn't have done that, but it smells good. It ain't burnt. It ain't burnt, fellas. But it's getting where I want. It is where I want it. Yeah. We're gonna put 2 pounds of large shrimp, deveined, no shell. Okay, no shell, no tail. We want it naked. All right. This don't take long, y'all, because what you want to do is you want to get that butter and that seasoning on it shrimp. So that's why you don't want all that water. So you ain't really wanting to boil the shrimp. Okay, you want to keep the seasons and the butter on the shrimp. Now, what you can do, you want a little more butter. So butter makes everything taste better. You can add another stick of butter. You ain't got enough. What that's going to do is it's going to cause this to have a little more liquid. Okay, obviously, and you want to get you some French baguette bread, some Texas toast bread, but the best bread is garlic bread. So them juices in there can make a difference in your shrimp there, and then you can take that old bread and you can sop that juice up after you eat the shrimp. Okay, you might even put a little bit more butter in here. Yeah, we'll be fine with this right here. I'm gonna cover this up. I'm gonna give y'all a little story on this. Okay. So some years back, a friend of mine named Jason Buckner, we was all at Oktoberfest in Helen, Georgia, and we was cooking out and having a good time. Somebody made a statement that they could outcook anybody in shrimp. So old Jason says, "Okay, I got you. I bet you might outdo you." So anyway, we got the shrimp out there, and I was the only one that knew whose was whose. We set it up on the table. Everybody come along and tore Jason's shrimp up, man. Hands down, his one. And it's a simple old recipe, and that's been 20, 25 years ago. And I'm telling you, I've been cooking it every day. Ain't but two people I know that's ever cooked it: Jason Buckner and me. And if you ever been to Buckner's restaurant in Jackson, Georgia, you know they serve good food. That's his family. If you ever get a chance, you're going through Georgia, you're going south, or even if you come north, exit 201, Buckner's restaurant, over by the Pilot, I believe, is a truck stop. Stop in there. They got a Lazy Susan. They open, I think, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday only. I'm not sure about the Thursday. It's been a long time. But anyway, that's the history behind this shrimp right here. Okay? But it's a really good and easy shrimps recipe. Alright? All them seasonings coming together. Yeah, sweating up. You don't want the shit. You want to keep stirring on it. If you stir, you don't stir, it's going to stick like that right there. But I get a little stainless steel pan. I'm pretty good. Yeah, if you know how to cook shrimp, you know about how long to cook it. Don't take that long to cook those shrimp. They get turning pink, and it'll be all right. You know, don't want to overcook the shrimp, all right? Because if you overcook it, you know, it get a little chewy. It don't want to have that little crunch to it. I might should have brought another stick of butter with me, but they're starting to release the water, so that's a good thing. And they cooking in their own juices. That's all right there. Okay. But look, I'm gonna let this cook, and I'll be back. All right. Y'all hold tight. All right, I'm back. So we're gonna add a little bit more of this old seasoning right here, just a touch. We don't want old sour. This gives it some more color, okay? Good. Man, that looks good right there. Telling you, I ate this whole fire. This is 2 pounds of shrimp. All right. They large. Devein, shell off, like I said, naked. You want them naked, makes it easier to eat, alright? Yeah, put them juices in there. Alright, these are done. You probably took a little bit longer if you want to. You can season up in there. If you want to do it with more shrimp you can, I'm gonna give you good ingredients here. Alright. 2 pounds of shrimp. We already know that. 1 stick of butter, and I like to use the Vital Farms sea salt butter, okay? And then magic comes out of this. This Chef Paul Prudhomme Magic Seasoning Blend Blackened Redfish Magic. Okay? If y'all can see that. I don't know if it got a glare on it or what. But anyway, when you get a bottle of this, you want to use about 1/8 of it to start out with, to 2 pounds. Cook it. Then close to the end, you want to add about 1/4 more of it in there. Or you put a quarter of this bottle in there to start with. It really don't matter. But instead of 4 pounds of the shrimp, you need to use about 1/2 bottle and 2 sticks of butter, okay? Just depends on how much butter you like, how much of the sauce you want. Look, put this on low. I'm gonna pull this out right here and get me some of this, because it's done. Alright. Get my old bowl out. See what we can get us some of this here shrimp. Alright. Telling you, man, this is a really good recipe. It's easy, doesn't take that long, less than 30 minutes, and you have your nice little meal. Like I said now, you can get some of them spices up in there, and tilt the pan over, whatever. Let's get you some of that. That's good right there. I'm telling y'all. I am telling you. Sorry for all the background noise, but it's raining, so I ain't got no choice. Look, I'm trying to learn all this camera stuff too now. So y'all just bear with me. This is gonna be good. I didn't want that one right there. Be a little warm. Good heaven right there. Thank you, Lord, for this shrimp, spices, and that butter. Man, that's good. Telling you. Like I said, if you want a really good, easy recipe, 2 pounds of shrimp, 1 stick of sea salted butter from Vital Farms. That seasoning, whatever, Chef Prudhomme, Chef Paul Prudhomme, sorry. Blackened redfish. I'm gonna boil it out again because I keep forgetting. Magic seasoning blends. Blackened redfish magic. Tell you, now you see this bottle is about empty. I done went through 2 bottles. I took a lot. This stuff is awesome on this shrimp like this. Anyway, salute to all the veterans out there. I appreciate everything that you do for our country. And God bless you. Look, if you haven't already, give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, share, leave me a comment. I appreciate it. And y'all be safe out there. All right, and I will see you on the next one.